Welcome to Autoz Time. Today, we have something truly exceptional to showcase. The 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this massive machine special? And why is it featured on a channel like ours? Well, the D12 Bulldozer isn't just a piece of heavy machinery. It's a statement of engineering excellence, power, and innovation. And today we're going to dive deep into what makes this bulldozer stand out in the world of construction and heavy-duty vehicles. First, let's talk about the sheer size and presence of the Caterpillar D12. If you've ever seen a bulldozer, you know that these machines are built for power and durability, and the D12 takes that concept to a whole new level. With its wide tracks and imposing blade, it commands attention from every angle. But beyond the size, it's the design and performance that set it apart from other bulldozers on the market. Under the hood, the 2025 D12 is powered by a turbocharged engine that delivers an incredible amount of torque, giving it the ability to tackle even the toughest terrains. Whether it's pushing massive piles of dirt, clearing large areas, or breaking through solid rock, this bulldozer has the muscle to get the job done. Its engine is paired with a state-of-the-art hydraulic system, ensuring smooth and efficient operation. And with the added feature of an advanced cooling system, this bulldozer can work for long hours without overheating, keeping productivity high on any job site. But let's not just talk about raw power. The 2025 D12 is designed for efficiency and comfort as well. For operators, the cab has been meticulously designed to provide maximum comfort and control. Inside, you'll find ergonomic seats, a user-friendly control panel, and an advanced climate system to ensure the operator stays comfortable no matter the weather. And with the latest in visibility technology, operators have a clear line of sight in every direction, making it easier and safer to work in tight spaces or busy construction zones. One of the standout features of the D12 is its intelligent onboard systems. This bulldozer comes equipped with a suite of smart technologies designed to enhance performance and reduce downtime. The Cat Connect technology allows for real-time data monitoring, giving operators and fleet managers insights into the machine's performance, fuel efficiency, and maintenance needs. This means fewer surprises on the job site and better decision-making when it comes to maintenance and operational adjustments. In addition, the D12 features automatic blade control, which helps improve precision and accuracy, particularly in tasks like grading and leveling. These technologies not only make the bulldozer easier to operate, but also increase productivity, allowing for faster and more efficient work. In terms of durability, the D12 is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Caterpillar is known for producing machines that are as tough as they are reliable, and the 2025 D12 is no exception. The frame is reinforced for maximum strength, and the heavy-duty undercarriage is designed to take on the most challenging job sites, whether it's rocky, muddy, or sandy. The tracks are built for traction, ensuring the bulldozer can maneuver over uneven ground without losing stability. This machine isn't just built to last. It's built to excel in environments where most other machines would struggle. Every job site is looking for ways to reduce costs and increase productivity. The 2025 Caterpillar D12 is designed with these goals in mind. With its fuel-efficient engine and smart operational systems, this bulldozer minimizes fuel consumption while maximizing output. The onboard diagnostics, let's not forget the aesthetic appeal. Identify while it may seem like a early on looks, don't matter much. For costly the design repairs, of the D12 has a striking presence down. The bold, the combination of power, the iconic Caterpillar yellow, durability, and the rugged makes the D12 make top choice for contractors and fleet owners, whether it's on the job site or displayed in a luxury showroom and within budget. Its design not only reflects the power and functionality of the machine, but also a sense of pride and craftsmanship. It's a machine that looks as capable as it is. Now, before we wrap up, let's talk about what makes the 2025 Caterpillar D12 unique in the world of construction equipment. While many bulldozers are built for specific tasks, the D12's versatility allows it to tackle a wide variety of jobs with ease. Whether it's used for mining, road construction, or site preparation, the D12 can handle it all. Its adaptability makes it a valuable asset for any fleet and a reliable tool for operators. In conclusion, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer is not just a machine. It's a powerhouse of innovation, durability, and efficiency. With its cutting-edge technologies, impressive performance, and superior comfort, the D12 is a game-changer in the world of heavy machinery. If you're looking for a bulldozer that combines power and precision in one impressive package, the 2025 D12 is the machine to choose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest reviews and insights on the most exciting vehicles and machinery in the world. See you next time on Autoz Time.